Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my EDC 2024 Las Vegas ticket. I'm super excited to open it. Let's get into it. And here's the box. Here's what it looks like. Here's a close-up. Let's open it and see what's inside. I really love these boxes. Okay, so let's start with what's here. So it says the headliners, kinetic circle, and this nice owl portrait. Then the fun part, when you open it fully. How cool is that? Let me show you what it looks like from the other angle. It says EDC, and it's like this black and white. Alright, let's see what's in this. Okay, the first thing I'm noticing right off the bat is these EDC trading cards. Not trading cards. What are they called? Playing cards. So that's very nice. It's very to the theme of Las Vegas because, you know, people go there to gamble from all over the world. I'm not a big gambler. I've gambled like maybe once or twice in my life, but I'm not into it. It's not for me. But I know a lot of my friends love to play poker and blackjack when they're in Vegas. So let's open this up. Oh, this is cool. So they have this EDC in the back, and then this is what it looks like. I saw this Joker at the front. Let me see if I can find anything cool. The King. Oh, I like these. Is this a Jack or a Joker? I forget what it's called. No, that's a Jack. And then the Queen. So the next thing that came with this is this little pouch. It says EDC on it. So have you guys ever been to EDC? This is my second EDC. I went back in 2020. This is 2024, so I went back in 2022. Right off the pandemic, I think was the first one back. It was definitely different vibe than what my friends are used to. That was my first one. My friends that I went with had gone multiple years in the past, and it was more of a lovey, plur life type thing. That's at least what they told me. So I didn't get the full experience. So I'm hoping that now that it's 2024, well after the pandemic, we can have some fun, trade some bracelets, you know. So let's see. Let's get into the next item, which is this keychain. Aw, it's EDC, and I like this EDC Las Vegas on the back. Let's throw this in here, in a little EDC pouch. Let's put the keychain in here, put the cards in here. I think that's why they give you the pouch, because everything might fit in here. That's awesome. Last but not least, the general admissions ticket band. So this is what we actually tap in to get into the festival. This is nice. I like the orange. I'm an orange kind of person. Orange and purple. I got general admission. And that's it. That's everything that came with this package. Oh, wait. The booklet. There's a booklet here. I don't know what this is. Welcome to EDC. And it just has all these pictures. That's what EDC looks like. I am super excited to be going back. I've been anticipating this for I guess 6 months. I don't know when this went on sale, but when it got on sale, I definitely bought it with my husband and my friends. So that's the end of my EDC 2024 Las Vegas ticket unboxing. If you're going, comment down the city you're going from. And if you see me there, say hi. Till next time, bye. Also, make sure to subscribe because I will be vlogging the event.